Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to watch movies and dramas on the DramaBox app without ads on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the DramaBox app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. DramaBox normally shows ads for free content. To remove ads completely, you need the VIP membership, which unlocks all episodes and movies ad-free. Tap on the VIP button in the app at the top to see the plans. Confirm with your Apple ID to subscribe. Once you are a VIP, go to the home screen, tap any drama or movie. You will notice no ads appear. All episodes, including VIP labeled ones, are unlocked and stream smoothly. You can also turn on subtitles or adjust video quality while watching. If you don't want to pay, you can still watch free dramas and movies on DramaBox. And that's it. That's how you can watch movies and dramas on DramaBox without ads on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.